where we had left is we were discussing about the brainstorming, and along with that we were discussing about the structure of an essay. We had discussed about how one introduction is written, and then we've entered into the body part. In the body part, as I said, UPSC is giving the philosophical questions, philosophical topics that cannot be justified with data. For example, if a GS3 question this year came, for example, what do you understand by the tsunami and what are the its causes and the impact? This is a static question. This is a scientific question. Such kind of question, justification requires the data, theories. But the philosophical questions requires the philosophical basis. Because the questions like the truth, there is no one answer. There are multiple answers. So when you are justifying something, you have to tell that according to this philosophy, I am supporting this argument. Can you say that okay, only this is truth? No, there is no one truth. For example, yesterday we discussed about this Nepal issue. There is no one side of truth. If you see from the youth side, you will feel that yes, a lot of corruption is there. That's why they are rebelling. Some will support and they will say yes, they are doing the truth. But the other side, the means they are adopting, they will say that no, they are adopting the violence. How can you justify the violence? So that's wrong. That's not truth. So where you will stand? So when you make your argument, whether it is truth or not, you have to justify. Now how you will justify? Based on the theory. You will support, yes, as per the Gandhiji's philosophy, means is more important. So I am justifying, no, they should not adopt the violence. But when you are justifying the corruption thing, since they are doing illegal, corruption is illegal, immoral, they are violating the social contract. So as per the, you can say utilitarian theory or some J.S. Mill or other theories, they are wrong, they are doing right. So what it requires is that philosophy, and that's why in the philosophical essay, if you're writing the plain essay, just like historical example, social example, economic example, no, that's not sufficient. You have to bring the what? Philosophical background. And remember, philosophical background need not to be very huge, like what philosophy optional people do. No, that much is not required. The basic, Buddhism, Jainism, this our religious, whether it is Hinduism, Christianity, Sikhism or other religions are there, na? Their theories we can use, or we can use our constitution also, and some Western philosopher you will read in ethics. Why? Because in ethics you have one chapter in the syllabus, Indian and Western philosophers. That chapter is there. There we cover around 10 philosophers, Aristotle, Socrates, Plato, and you have J.S. Mill. These philosophers are there. These will be useful everywhere. Any kind of essay you can use them. You can use them. And yesterday I presented also how all essay can be linked with some kind of philosophy which is not a kind of alien to us. We know somehow, or we have to learn little bit.